Hey guys, today we're going to make a while loop game. Okay, let's get started. We're going to need two AA battery pack with a switch, 3-volt buzzer, 3-volt LED, and any ohm resistor will work. Long piece of completely stripped wire. Long piece of wire with about a centimeter stripped off one end and a loop on the other. And two small connectors. We're going to put the connectors from the 15 row on both sides to the 5 row. Same thing, just on either side of the divot. Alright? Now we're going to take our buzzer, which you can get from Radio Shack. Now we're going to insert it down here on the 15 row. Then we're going to take our LED and put it in the 5 row. Remember that the longer lead is the positive. Okay. Then our resistor, which they are not polarized, so it can go in either direction. It's going in from your power bus to your 5, line 5. And then we're going to take our loop wire and put it in from the opposite power bus okay. Then we're going to take a long strand of stripped wire and we're going to put it in the 5 row and then make sure you stick it through the loop and insert it on the 30 row. Okay, and that leaves us with our battery pack, which you're going to take the negative lead and put it on your right power bus, and the positive is going on the left power bus. And you're done. It should look like that. Let's give it a try. Thanks for watching.